Good evening, all of you. So last session, we completed about the HTML structure. Today we are going to starting officially programming. HTML first example, today we are going to starting. Up to yesterday's session, what we discussed, those are the fundamentals, basics, awareness, something like that. Softwares related, a small information I'm providing, sir, once again, because yesterday after discussions, so again I got same questions, maybe network problem, I think. We don't need to install any software. Last session I clearly said that one. So no need to install any special softwares. Or if you have any special interest in Notepad, these are the things I don't like, sir. Then you can go for one of the HTML best editor, Edit Plus. Edit Plus is one of the HTML editor. Otherwise, Notepad++. Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code or Sublime or Atom. Like that, we have total 40 plus editors. 40, 50 editors are available. In these most of the cases, these are the most popular for us. So most of the public or students, they are using one of these three. Which one you likes, download that one. Which one you likes, underline this word, Your Honor. Which one you likes, download that, use it. I'm not forcing you. You must use this editor only. 100% not correct, because everybody, they have their own feelings, they have their own taste, they have their own view. So what I like, sir, maybe you doesn't like that one, right? The industry, what it is using, sir, industry, we don't need to talk it, sir. Industry this much, we are this much. Industry, we have the thousands of companies names. First we know, na? No idea. How can say industry, which editor is using? Some companies are using Sublime. Some companies are using WordPress. Some companies are using Atom. Some companies are using Coffee. One of the software name, Coffee, HTML editor. Some companies are using Adobe Builder. Some companies are using Visual Studio. Which one you are practicing? No idea either. So that's why go for we have some problems to choose, sir. That's when 40 plus editors available. I shortlisted and finally mentioned the 3 editors. From these 3, you can pick one of that one. So right now, I'm going to showing how to work with Edit Plus. What are the screen you are watching? It's Edit Plus only, sir. Screen. 1 or 2 days after, I'll show how to work with Notepad++. After a couple of days, I'll explain how to work with the Visual Studio. Single day, I'm not covering 3. Confusion comes. So with some intervals, with some gap, we'll cover all these 3 editors. So currently I'm going to using Edit Plus. This is my Edit Plus HTML programming. Almost all programming languages supported this Edit Plus. C, C++, Core Java, Oracle Queries, PHP programs, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PLSQL programs also we can develop here. Python programs also you can develop in this editor. All supporting maximum 15 plus languages it's supported. But one small problem is it's a licensed software. 1 month free trial it is providing. After the free trial, we have to purchase the license. But we don't need to purchase, sir. Without purchasing also we can manage. They're asking purchase the license. We are saying tomorrow I'll purchase it. Tomorrow they are asking. Again we are saying tomorrow only. Daily they are asking. We are daily answer tomorrow. Batch completed. We don't need any license. Is suitable anywhere this situation? Not suitable. So 100%, sir. Without purchasing the license, we can manage. That's not a problem. I'll show the trick what to do. Open any browser. Go to Google. edit plus downloads. Edit plus downloads. So select this link. This is the edit plus downloading page. It supports Windows operating system only. The Mac operating system not compatible. But I have Apple system, sir. Notepad++ both supported. Second option I given a Notepad++ that supported the Windows and also Linux and also Mac also, no problem. This one is only Windows supported only. Current version of this editor is 5.5. Remember, editor version 5.5, but not HTML version. HTML version is 5 only. Language versions different to editors versions are different. Phone version different to phone internal OS version is different. I'm using Redmi Note 10 or 11 recent released 7 11. So Redmi Note 11 recently somewhere launched. What is operating system also 11? OS also 11? 12 together. But mobile number is different, internal OS number is different. Like that, languages numbers different to editors numbers are different. So you don't get any confusion, just leave it about that. We have download option. When you click on this download, within seconds, the software is downloading. Why this much of faster, sir? I'm using Jio 7G network, latest technology. Software size 2.5 MB, 2.25 MB. So not much more time. The next what to do, sir? Go to your downloads folder, a software available, sir. So here we have the downloads folder. When you click on this software, we'll get the installation process. File downloaded into downloads folder, a setup file. If you just click on the setup file, this one is comes. Accept, next, finish. That's all. You don't do any operations. The configurations or settings or something asking somebody, nothing is required, sir. Double click on the downloaded file, that nothing but an setup file. Next to finish. Simple. The configurations are we core Java programming. We did a lot of things, sir. A core Java is HTML. In core Java, you have to install the JDK software. After that, path settings, so class path settings. So in Python also same thing. .NET also so much of installation process is available. Installation 1 minute to downloading half minute to working you're late. And then I'm not going to installing because I have already software crashing both. So license also losing. Just accept. Next screen will get the continue. Next to finish. No additional settings are required. So after installation of the software, you will get this icon. Just to 1 minute it will take the installation. Maybe your system little bit slow now, or 2 to 3 minutes, that's all. Not much more that time. So open this icon. Visible name here, edit plus. And if you go for here, this is edit plus. After opening of this editor, what to do, sir? We have the first menu, file menu, sir. File menu available. Go to file menu, new. Second option, HTML page is there. See that. When you click on the new, we'll get the some side menus also. There we have the HTML menu. So click on that one. HTML program with the default logic, it will comes. Yesterday we discussed some structure. Remember, no? The total structure is comes. Add your code. Automatically some code is comes at header section, body section, version, HTML tags, conformly it will comes. In the rest of code we are designing our requirements. Next, These all the tags meanings we don't know. So I'm deleting. We are not discussing the tags. Head meaning we know, body meaning we know, doc type meaning is also we know. Next, what to do, sir? Type here some message, hello world. My code, I want to print a hello message. After typing, what to do, sir? Here we have the browser icon, globe icon. Just click on this icon, sir. We'll get directly output. We don't need to open any separate browser. Like as yesterday's, we don't need to type the addresses or something. Just click on this browser icon and this is your output. It is advantages, user friendly, and the number of works are going to reducing. So typing here only, execution here only, and output also here only. Once again, I'll show that. So after typing of the program, we don't need to save, sir, while working with Edit Plus internally. Saving also not necessary. So after typing of the program, go to directly browse icon. And this is output. Shortcut to Control B. Shortcut is the Control B. B stands for browser. Next, I make some changes in this source code, sir. No problem. Whenever you make the changes, every time you can just click on this browser, updated output will get it here. We'll get the updated output here. That much of easier. Next, when I click on the browser, browse icon, it's executing the program with the support of Edit Plus inbuilt browser. Edit Plus software inside internal browser is available, not Google Chrome, not Microsoft Edge. Edit Plus own browser, that one. That own browser is you executed your program and producing output. I don't want to own browser, sir. I want to run my program from Google Chrome. I want to run my program from Microsoft Edge browser. But it's saving compulsory. How to save the program compulsory. Inbuilt browser is the no need, sir. Program available in Edit Plus, browser also available in Edit Plus. Directly they are coordinating. But now program we typed in Edit Plus. Execution starts from the Google Chrome edition. Connection not available. So that's a saving compulsory. How to save it, sir? Your routine process, sir. Daily in computers, Windows operating system, you are typing something, saving, typing something. Na? Follow the same procedure. Shortcut key, Control S. Shortcut is Control S. Otherwise, go to the file menu, save. Control S. Otherwise, go to the file menu, save. Last line, boys. One more time, noise is comes up. Hello. Last line, boys. One more time, noise comes up. Tata, bye bye. You are creating disturbance to your co-students, first of all. There is some memory card together. Not available. Huh? Your voice is reaching to me. It's creating disturbance for my explanation also. Huh? Last row say, especially. If you want to talk it without disturbing your co-student, you can talk. But you get a kilometer distance also your voice is reaching. Maybe memory card, I think virus didn't try to format it. You don't do the memory chip. So file menu, save. Where we have to save, sir? Anywhere in the system. I'll go for the E drive. I'm going to saving some demo.html. The HTML extension already is there, sir. So we don't need to give any extension. Just focus on the name only. By mistake or by chance, if I give an HTML, sir, then also no problem. So demo, save. Next, what to do, sir? Open the browser, which one you are interested. Open browser, which one you interested. Go to address bar, type the program name, // e:/demo.html. Press enter, and this is output. If you want to run like this in the separate browser, saving compulsory. If you want to run inside your Edit Plus only, saving is not compulsory. This is the basic working of the Edit Plus. What are the additional advantages, sir? Program comes a little bit colorfully, sir. For every type of component, they are going to using specific colors. Tag names always comes in the dark blue color. A blue color appeared all are the HTML tags. Red color appeared all are the attributes. And magenta, nothing but an pink color. It's a data, values of the attribute. And green color appeared all are the comments. Comment lines comes in green color. Comment line. Our original web page content comes in the black color. What are the data appeared in the black color? That one displaying on the web page. So like that, every item is going to displaying with a specific color. Any advantages are easy to identify the mistakes. You know that is the tag, something tag you know. But while typing of that one, it not comes into the blue color. But what is meaning, sir? Maybe spelling problem or maybe typing order problem. So immediately you can identify that one. See that when I change the body spelling, sir, color changed. Color changed into easily is go to striking. Oh, something mistake is there. If you write the proper spelling and if you type properly, there comes actual color blue. One of the advantages. Next advantage, sir. Exploring and compressing the code is possible. Which part of the code you want to see, that part only we can go for. Almost in all editors, these features are available, sir. What I'm explaining here. So this is called as expand and compress. It's also called as collapse and reduce. The Windows operating system feature. And I don't want to see the total program, sir. Particular part. Rest of code you can minimize it. Not deleting, just minimizing. It is going to hiding the balance code. Which code you require, that only you can focus it. Next one. Edit Plus providing some additional benefit. Most of the HTML coding, especially tag related, without typing, we can design the page. Without writing the steps, without writing the tags name, so we can design our required page. How it is possible, sir? We have tools here. Edit Plus providing some tools. With the support of the tools, tags automatically comes without typing. Is it really, sir? Suppose I need some bold tag. Bold, one of the tag. Tag comes. Data you can add yourself. Suppose I need some underline tags, sir. Tag comes. We balance, you can type. Suppose I need some H1 tags, sir. Heading 1 tag. So you can just click on that one. H1 tag comes. Mostly user tags and regularly user tags all available the shortcuts in the right side of the screen. Here we have, sir. This is observe heading title HTML. These all are HTML tags and settings only. So there's something little bit simplifying of the work. And if you want to utilize options available, you can go. I want to design a table, sir. A table, rows and columns. For that, we have the tab. See that? A table design itself. Just add your data. So where is this all the things, sir? In right side of the screen, we have this starting with the browser. The browser symbol is there. From after the browser, all these are HTML tags only. So bold tag, italic tag, underline tag, font tag, color changing, NBSP, line break, next to black quotes, headings, 6 headings, image tag, anchor tag, something. Additional advantage. Some more points. So while running, we are going to discussing, sir. So from today onwards, I'm going to starting the use of this Edit Plus. Next one, license related information. See there, sir. After completion of the installation, when you are opening the very first time, it's asking you want to purchase the license or you want to continue the free trial. Obviously, we are selecting the free trial. 1 month activated from that date. Daily it is showing 28 days is there, 27 days is there, 30 days. They are saying, but we are not listening. But 30 days after, what happens, sir? 30 days after also we'll get the license. 31st day when you are going to opening, automatically license asking one window is comes like this. Not this window, like that a small window is opens, in that it's forcing to purchase the license. Right? What we are doing, sir, is screen we are just dragging and dropping like that, continuing our work. Simple. Edit plus forcing to purchase the license. We are doing what? A license window, drag and drop, you know very well. So hold the screen, drag out of the monitor, throw it. You can continue your work. Working as sir, 100% working. Last 3 years onwards, I'm using the same editor without purchasing any license. They are genius, we are super genius. So you can try that one. There is no problem. The screen, just drag and drop it and go to the file menu, new. That's all. It's 100% works. Next comes to the first point of our programming. How to write the comment lines in our HTML, sir. Because whenever the programming is starting, generally some comments also required. Example on something, or I'm going to designing this page. A small information we are providing by using the comments. So the comments writing style, this is. So this is the way to write the comments in HTML. Angle bracket, exclamation, minus, nothing but an hyphen, write some comments, followed by again hyphen, greater than. So what is the use of comments, sir? Two purposes, sir. One, to provide the additional information about your logic. One advantage is to provide the additional information about your program or logic. Second one, comments are placing your statements in non-executable mode. Some code I developed, sir, but I don't want to execute this time. Next time I want to execute, this time I don't want, sir. But instead of deleting that code, just place in comments. So if you place any statement inside the comment, that becomes as a non-executable code. Browser not touching those lines, not translating and not executing also. With two purposes. Placing some part of the code in non-executable mode and providing some additional information about our web page, our coding, our tags, our settings, or something like that. Anywhere we can use. How many comments we can type it, sir? Any number of comments we can type it, sir? Any number of times you can write the comments, there is no problem. Anywhere we can write in the program, any number of times we can write the program. But one small precaution is, while typing of these comments, after any of the symbol you give in the space, sir, it doesn't take as a comment. Space is not accepted. That all the symbols you must be typed very, we have to type very closely and very tightly. Anywhere if you give in a single space, it is considered as a step and trying to translate and executing. How can identify, sir? Color changing. Comments say the perfectly green colors it will come, sir. It's showing any other colors, sir. Conformly some mistake is available there. Really, yes, sir. We can try. Now that single line only green color, it's a comment, non-executable code. Color changed, meaning also changing. Now it becomes as an executable part. Browser trying to translate this code and producing output. What is the output? Meaningless completely. So be careful about the spaces. Don't give any spaces like this. Now total program color change. Observe na? What happens now, sir? The total code is becomes as comment line. You are not getting any output again here. Now total green color kada. So total green color in the sense total program is in comments. The first information about our programming. And next one, tags I'm going to starting, sir. We know what is the tag, how many types of tags available. In yesterday's session, we discussed already. Tag is a predefined program. They have some set of instructions internally, and tags are giving the instructions to browser following that instructions and producing the web pages. That is simple information. And first we are going to starting heading tags. Your point of view first topic, sir. My point of view first tag. So first tags, what we are discussing are heading tags. HTML providing total 6 heading tags, sir. HTML providing total 6 heading tags. Heading tags names available here. H1, H2, H3, H4 and H5, H6. These are the 6 predefined tags of the HTML. Names uniformly available H1, H2, H3, 4, 5, 6. What is the use of these 6 tags are? To display some data on web page in heading format. All these tags are used to display the data on web page in heading format. Heading means a little bit of bigger size. Normal data comes in small size, sir. Heading data comes a little bit bigger size. Nothing special. Even when you are writing the notes also, headings you are writing with big size. Normal points writing in the small size. Same in our web pages also we have. Then why 6 headings, sir? One heading is enough, na, sir? At different situations, different headings. Suppose your BTech or degree, some lab records available, na? Physics, chemistry, something. A lab records observe your writing style. Main heading, subheading, side heading. Same style you are writing, different varieties you are writing. Different varieties. Somebody using different color pens also. No. Black ink, blue ink, red ink, underlines, makeup extra, star symbols. Why, sir? The effective way of presentation. That much of effectively if we present it, content not available also, internal marks more we are gaining. Is generally. So how we are following in our records, main headings, subheadings, side headings, note points. But in all the same type of situations we are facing in our web pages also. That's why they are providing the 6 sizes of headings. Which is the biggest size, sir? H1 is the highest size. H6 is the least size. H1 to H6 sizes are going to cordially reducing. This is the biggest size compared to your 6 tags. Not only this one, sir. In HTML, how many tags available? In all these tags, the highest size data printing by the H1. 100 tags available, 200 tags available, 300 tags available, whatever it may be. These are all the tags trying to print some data. But the data size, bigger size, which ones are? H1 only. The rest of all the tags are smaller, least, smallest, something. Next, how to use these tags, sir? For every tag, one syntax available, sir. That syntax is this one. For every tag, one syntax available. As per the syntax, we are going to implementing the programs. Yes, we are discussing for every tag syntax. H1 tag begins, H1 tag ends. This is the beginning of H1 tag and this is the end of the H1 tag. Between the 2 tags, content available. What are the data you want to display as a heading? Write the data here. Next, same style, H2 opens, H2 closes. H3 opens, H3 closes. 4, 5, 6. Opening tags, closing tags. 6 opening tags, 6 closing tags. Between the open and closing tags, your content come, your information is comes. Lastly, one small information. And all these 6 tags are the block level tags. We don't know meaning of the block level, sir. Upcoming, maybe tomorrow we are going to discussing that one. Some of the HTML tags are block level and some of the HTML tags are the inline. But we don't know which is the block level and which is the inline, sir. For every tag explanations, we are going to discussing like this. It is a paired tag, it is a block level, it is an unpaired tag, it's a inline tag. This information I'm going to providing in every tag explanations, no problem. So 6 tags, paired plus block level. A paired block level, it's called as the behavior of the tag or the nature of the tag. What is the behavior of this tag, sir? When they ask the question, we have to say this point. The paired, unpaired, block, inline, we have to say a question answer. Now, I'm going to writing the first example based on the heading tags. So doc type, HTML, language I'm not using currently. Head section also I'm not going to using currently. Directly I'm starting with the body section. Why, sir? I want to print the data. So data printing, we need the body section. A data related settings, if you require anything, the settings are comes in the head section. Without head section possible as our program. Yesterday what we discussed? Anything is compulsory or all are optional? All are optional. Which one you interested, follow that one. Which one you doesn't like, throw it. H1. I'm just printing a small message here. Hypertext markup language or subject name I'm going to printing. So HTML, I want to print as a little bit bigger size. So I just implemented the H1. First I'm running from internal browser. This is the output of the program. You said that big size, sir. This is the big size in HTML. That is the highest size in HTML. If we take any other tag, sir, those all the sizes comes below this one. Highest size is this much available, but least size how much, sir? Least size you have to watch like this. Normally not visible. Very, very small size comes. So for your viewability purpose, I'm just applying the magnifier, sir. This is. Now you'll get bigger size feeling also. The H1 tag, what it is doing, printing the headings in bigger size. Then H2 tag, what it is doing, sir, printing the headings, but little bit small size than the H1. Cordially reducing the sizes. H3, sir, same, below the H2 or less than the H2 size. Number increasing, size reducing, sir. H4, less than the H3. H5, less than the H4. H6, less than the H5. H6 heading, sir, observe the size once. So highest size to least size is 6 headings. Highest size to least size is 6 headings. This is our output. This is our source code. This is coding. And this is output of that code. But we designed the code in English, how it will come, sir? The translations mechanism we discussed. What are the code you developed in high level English language? These are all the codes line by line is translated by the browser and producing the outputs. After completion of the total program, we'll get this output. The first example we'll get only text, sir. Coming images are comes, links comes, buttons to text boxes also slowly one by one it will comes. So next one, what you are watching here, it's called as web page. A white color area is there, no? And the total white color area is called as the web page, or also called as the web document. Web page or web document. And what are the code we are developing inside the body tag? What are the code we are developing inside the body tag? The total code output displaying on the top of your web page. Your top of the web page, it is displaying that one. But here web page feeling is not come, sir. We are running from the inbuilt browser, na? So that is the problem. I want to run from my regular browser, sir. Go to the file menu, save. File menu, save. Where we are going to saving, sir? I'll do the one small thing, sir. For our batch, I'll create one folder. From today onwards, what are the examples we are practicing? Everything I'll maintain in that folder. The same folder we are going to posting into your Google Classroom also. So new folder, HTML4. Or batch number, just I assigned that one, HTML4. The folder or directory created in the E drive. So open this directory and save the program. With sir, your interest, I'm going to saving with example1.html. Example1.html. Done, sir. Confirmation you can test here. And that pink color bar, your file name, your directory name is displaying here. Example1.html :HTML4. Doubt available. Go to your My Computer icon. Open E drive. Open HTML4 folder. This is your program. Now can I double click on this one? Yes. We'll get output the source code. Output. This is your output. This is your original browser. This is our original browser, sir. But just I'm going to opening the Facebook. The Facebook program output, this is our program output. Facebook program output, they design little bit graphically, attractively. Our program output without markup. Why, sir? First example. So many examples are there in front. It is just the first example. So future, slowly we are also diverting into this one. HTML programs outputs available. That is. But that we have to call as a web page, not output. No, sir, I'm C student, sir. I'm daily calling output only, sir. C, C++, Java, .NET, Python, Oracle, SQL, all these things you can call by outputs. But here, don't use that one. When you run the HTML program, you will get the web page as a result. That is, run any HTML program, result web page. Next, can I use these tags repeatedly, sir? Again, sir. Oh, why not, sir? Any tag we can repeat it, sir. Any number of times also we can use, and anywhere also we can use. So H1, I'm going to printing some CSS. H1. Next, again, one more tag I'm going to writing H3. So some more name I'm going to printing JavaScript. Next, one more, sir. Again, H3 are required, sir. No problem. Bootstrap. Repeatedly, we can use tags. 100% required for us. Any number of times we can repeat. Any combinations also we can repeat. Anywhere also we can repeat it. So for now, this program we already executed. After execution, we'll make some changes in the source code. Already executed program, some changes happens in the source code. What to do, sir? Resave the program. Compulsory resaving. Again, save it one more time. Then go to the browser, refresh. Updated output, it will comes. Save the program after every change. Save the program after every modification. Then back to the browser. Use the refresh button. updated output it will comes. So this is our first example. This is our first example, sir. Heading tags. But these heading tags we are using anywhere in our websites, sir. Of course, we are discussing as a topic or syllabus wise, but really this is useful in our web page designing, sir. 90% of websites they are using heading tags, sir. Or 10% of websites maybe alternatives they are using, but 90% of websites we have heading tags. But we are never seen, sir. We don't know whether that is heading or not. That is problem. Some data available as an internet user, what we are feeling, this is the something data, information, link, like this. The tag names we don't know at the time. Now see that. Go to Flipkart, sir. Reason, heading tags we have cases in Flipkart, not 1, 2, 3. This is Flipkart homepage, right? Left side deals of the day available. Left side. That is heading tag, sir. Really heading tag. Doubt available. Open the view source. Can we see the view source of any website or not? Yes. Right click, view source, and check that line. 100% one of the 6 heading tags only available. Next, if you scroll down low, sir, men's footwear, heading tag only. Get down, sir, homemakers, headings. Like that, how many we have in Flipkart? So many coming at the bottom. And go to the last of the page, sir, ending of the page. Grocery heading, books heading, baby kids heading, home furniture heading, lifestyle heading, small appliances heading, large appliance heading. Up to this one, all headings only. It's a live example. Our tag where they are using. As per this, other websites you can identify. Is there any headings or not? Yes. So next time onwards, when you are using any website, so would you try to apply our classroom discussions? Shivakumar something explained here is there or not, just watch like this. Confirmly you will find that information. What is the use, sir? Connectivity is comes. Next, another tag I am going to starting, sir. Next tag. So headings next generally in our textbooks, paragraphs, what we have? Sorry, in our textbooks and notebooks, so heading next to what we have? Paragraph. And a heading definition or meaning or explanation or something is comes. But here Flipkart also did the same thing. Got a Flipkart heading available, bottom, explanation available. No cost EMI, bottom, explanation available. But how to print that number of lines, sir? Bottom of the heading or somewhere in the web page. For that, we have the specialist tag. It's called as paragraph. The next tag is the paragraph tag. Continuation of the headings. Tag name P, sir. Full form of the P, paragraph. The name of the tag is P. The full form is paragraph. So what is the use of this paragraph, sir? Paragraph tag generally used to display multiple lines text on the web page. Paragraph tag generally used to print the multiple lines of text on the web page. If I want to print the single line, sir, so many alternatives are available. More than one line, this is the only option we have. Reason, sir, general definition paragraph, general definition for paragraph. Not this one, our regular life languages. In Telugu, Hindi, English, paragraphs are available. Definition or meaning. Group of lines. Minimum one lines or maximum any number of lines. You can also say as a group of sentences also. So I want to print some sentences on the web page, or I want to print some group of lines on the web page. Better use the paragraph tag. And this is the syntax to use the paragraph tag. Paragraph, Write your all total data, how many lines you want to print. Type here a manually. Then paragraph close. Minimum 1 line, sir. Maximum your wish. 100 lines to 200 lines also we can type. There is no problem. Next, what is the behavior of the paragraph tag, sir? Behavior. Abjuna, is it pair tag or single tag? Pair tag. Opening tag is available. Closing tag is also available. And block level inliner, sir. It's a block level, sir. I given here already. Paragraph is a pair tag as well as it is a block level tag. Pair tag meaning we know, sir. Block level only meaning we don't know. The tomorrow explanations will get that one. Next, what is this one, sir? Generally, a web browser or the browser, while printing of the paragraphs, one paragraph to another paragraph, by default to 5 pixels margin is leaving. Paragraph to paragraph, paragraph to paragraph, by default it maintains some space. The space is called as the margins. I think everybody, you have some experience with the MS Word. MS Office Word we use it, right? Maybe your resumes preparation or project reports preparation side more something. When you are typing the data in MS Word, paragraph after will get gap or both comes very closer. Compulsory gap is comes. Maybe 1 line or 1.5 line gap is comes. Guarantee. The default settings. Your notes also, if you check it, first paragraph, second paragraph, 1 line gap we are leaving. And a rough notes say no guarantee, sir. Original notes say that symptoms are available, confirmed. A procedure following. That is we are saying here. How much gap it will come, sir? By default, 5 pixels. 5 pixels and almost equals to half centimeter. Half centimeter. The default, sir, not my personal. Now I'm implementing this paragraph. See that. So second example I'm taking. How, sir? Again, file menu, new HTML. In every program you have to follow the same. File menu, new HTML, file menu, new HTML. Some code is comes, interested, leave it, otherwise remove it. So here also we are providing a small comment. Example and paragraph tag. Body inside we are starting paragraph. So what we have to type, sir? Your interest? Type something. Data nega, alphabets. Paragraph is close. So here we design approximately 4.5 lines paragraph. Right? But in output, 4.5 lines not comes, sir. Maybe 1 line it will comes. The 4.5 lines data displaying in single line. It's not removing any data. It's not cutting any data. 4.5 lines of data displaying in the single line. Maybe sometimes 2 lines. Maybe sometimes 3 lines. There is no measurements for that one. No measurement, and I can't say how many lines exactly it will comes. Why the variations, sir? But here we are working with Edit Plus. The editor name is Edit Plus. In Windows operating system or any other operating system, for every software, font settings available. No. Font setting, size of the font, style of the font. As per your viewability purpose, I increased the font size here. So they have maybe 30 or 32 size. Browser's default size, how much is 10 pixels. Browser's paragraph default size is 10 pixels. Right now you are watching the paragraph size is 32 pixels. But 32 pixels size we typed the paragraph. While comes to the 10 pixels, how many lines? 4 lines, no chance to get the guarantee. Maybe less than the 4 lines. A font settings different between this editor to browser editor. So that's how many lines you are watching here. That number of lines not comes into the output. 99% not comes. 1% to maybe chances are there. Reason, font size is the problem. Now, second program I designed here. I'm just going to saving this program. File menu, save, example2.html. So this one I saved with the name of example2.html. Now go to the browser, type your address here. e:/html4/example2.html. Sir, forward slashes or backward slashes, sir. Anything is okay, sir. We can use forward slash, we can use backward slash. e:/html4/example2.html. This is okay. Or this is also okay. Back or front, anything okay. But finally, browser takes the front only. Forward slashes only accepting. But when you type the backward slashes, they're automatically converting into forward slashes. Reasons are URL rules and regulations. The address bar, remember the address bar generally what we are typing? Websites, URLs. Like that, our program URLs also we are writing. URLs always represented with the forward slashes. Windows operating system addresses represented with the backward slashes. So by mistake, if you are giving the backward slash, browser automatically converts into forward slashes. Automatically converting, it's not objecting anything. And this is output. How many lines? 2 lines. Almost 1.5 line. But actually we typed the source code in nearly 4.5 lines. This is output. This is source code. Difference wise, sir? A letter sizing observed together. A sizing is the different. If I increase the letter sizing, sir, here also 5 lines is comes. I increased the size of letter. Now here also we have 4 lines. Too much I want to increase it, sir. 8 lines. But actually we typed paragraph only 4 lines only. The letter size affected and the content length same. Number of characters also same only. The original size of the paragraph. Viewability problem is there. Just apply the magnifier. We will get some better viewing like this. The meaningless paragraph, right? Now we are going to typing some meaningful. Flipkart is displaying a same style we are also designing. Same data I am copying. Not same style, same data also. So EMI on debit cards. What is this, sir? Paragraph or heading? Heading. So I'm taking some H3, medium size. This is paragraph. First paragraph is closed here. Heading explanations. Next is second one, sir. Again heading H3. H3 close. Paragraph explanation starts. And explanation closed. So we just observed some style of output in Flipkart. The same style we are also trying to display. For that we implemented the code like this. So can I check it, sir? Sure. Colors different, sir. They used some different colors. We used black color. Almost look like us, but not exactly. Exactly, sir. Second program, I guess, sir. Coming programs, exactly it will comes. And we need some other knowledge also. But other tags, other settings, if you know, then exactly also we can design it. That's not a problem. The headings and paragraphs utilization process. So write some word and try to explain about that one. A subject, incident, or something, whatever it may be. So how many I can prepare like this, sir? Your interest, sir, depends upon the purpose of your web page. Depends upon the purpose of your web page. Any number of headings and any number of paragraphs we can produce. So that is web page. What you are watching, it's called as web page. And the next one is another tag, formatting tags. 6 heading tags, 1 paragraph completed, sir. Next, moving on to some more tags. The next one is formatting tags. Total 6 tags are available in this formatting. The group names are formatting tags is the group name. In this group, number of tags are comes. So half an hour back, we discussed some heading tags. Inside that 6 tags are available. Like that, this is also formatting tags. There are 8 tags available, sir. In that 8 tags, 2 tags are currently not in use. But so many, they are still using the tags. The wrong way, sir. So better upgrade it. Because somebody you are already following the YouTube, rubber tube, iron tube together. While practicing of the programs, you are using the tags, especially yellow color letters, B and I, who have already HTML knowledge, who are already designing the programs. I think you already used the B and I tags, right? Are the 100% wrong thing, so don't use. Reasons are outdated tags, deprecated. Alternatives are alternative tag right side only available. See that B tag deprecated, old tag, new version and updated tag is the strong. So in place of B, go for the strong. Next, I is also deprecated and old tag. In place of I tag, better use the EM tag. In place of I, better use the EM tag. Rest of tags, normally we can continue, sir. There is no problem. But actually, U is also almost reaching to border and ready for deprecation. These already deprecated. These already confirmed, sir. Gone. In waiting list, U tag. So waiting list confirmed. This is also passed away. Rest of tags already new tags only, sir. They are currently available in market. So total 8 tags I listed. In the 2 tags we are not going to using. For your awareness, I'm saying because so many they are still using B and I tags. So please upgrade it. And what are the tags names, sir? Finally, strong, first tag. U, second tag. EM, third tag. Strike, sub, super. 6 tags. Purpose. Strong tag used for displaying the letters in bold. The thick letters are comes like me. Next, see this one. The apples are here. The original size of the apple is that one. When I apply the strong tags there, apple will comes like this. A letter sizing observed. Thickness increased. Increased, madam. So strong tag used to display the data with a little bit of thick letters. And U tags are U tag used for the underlining purpose. Generally in headings writing cases, underlines is a common thing. See that here apple available. Apple bottom underline is there. Normally data comes like this. After applying of the U tag, you will get the data like this. So this is without U and this is with U. Next, third tag is, sir, EM. Full forms are emphasized. Emphasis also we can call. Emphasis means displaying the letters slight bending. How much bending, sir? 15 degrees it is bending the letter. It is straight 0 degrees or 90 degrees or something, sir. It is slightly bending like this. See, observe the 1, 2, 3. Actually, this is the typing style. And after applying the EM tag, they comes like this. 15 degrees, 220 degrees, 180 degrees, 190 degrees not possible. Just a 15 degrees slight bending. Any data, it's bending like this. Next one, sir, strike tag. The next one is strike tag. So this is the strike apple. A middle of the apple, we have horizontally one line, sir. That is called as strike out. Real, sometimes in our notebooks also well. I explain one word or one sentence. By mistake, you copied another word. So after I realizing, sir, we are just simply striking out of the sentence, right sentence, top of, bottom of, we are printing. So next to sub, full form is subscript. Sub full form is subscript. Especially used for the chemical equations are H2O. A two position observed. Normally two comes like this, sir. Generally two comes like this. But this writing is wrong as per the chemistry. Correct? Numbering systems always below the baseline. So how to get down this one, sir? Like this we can get down. This is subscript. Especially chemical formulas, molecular equations cases, it is useful. Next is superscript full form. Full form is a superscript. And displaying the data like this. Subscript means bottom of the baseline, sir. Superscript means top of the baseline. And above the text to below the text. Above the text is called as superscript. Below the text is called as the subscript. There are two varieties displaying, sir. Top of the text kada. Example, your a square plus b square. Squares, cubes are trigonometric, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 60 degrees, something available. So that scenarios we are going to using the superscript. Degrees printing time. If you want to display the data top of your text here, then the superscript we can use, especially mathematics. Or sometimes I think your temperatures, minimum temperature, maximum temperatures, the degrees are going to display. That scenarios also we can use this. So all these six are the formatting tags. All these six are the formatting tags. Why we are calling it a formatting tag, sir? All these six tags changing the little bit printing style of the data. A data printing style changing, sir, that is called as formatting. Next, what is the behavior of these six tags are? All are pair tags. Six tags are pair tags, including the outdated tags too. And all are inline tags. Previous 7 tags I explained as the block level, sir. These all are the inline tags. Difference, no idea, sir. Wait one day. These all are paid tags. Opening, closing, compulsory required. By mistake, if I'm not closed the tag properly, what happens, sir? The tag effect goes to next data also. The tag effect is also automatically impacted to your next and next line, next tags also going on. So that's why every opening tag properly closing required. Every opening tag properly closing is required. So third example I'm going to showing here. Formatting tags. So first tag I'm going to using strong. Strong tag, it's an alternative for the B, bold. So what you are going to printing here, the letters are comes in little bit thickness. Original, sir. Oh, you can type here original also. The actual HTML, how it is printing, with the strong HTML, how it is printing, we'll get the clear picture here. So I'm saving this program as a third example, example3.html. Go to the browser and give your address. Every example I'm saving in the same folder, sir. So first HTML to second HTML difference available. With the strong, without strong, or with the bold, without bold. Can I use the bold tag in place of strong, sir? Oh, why not, sir? 100% you can use, there is no problem. But guidelines available now? Guidelines, they are saying don't use. We already launched upgraded tag for the B, so still why you are using B? Reminder. Answer available, you can continue. Answer not available, go for the strong. Next one, I, italic or inclined, CSS. Same option we can also perform with em tag. Same data. I and em both are doing the same thing, one old, one new. So both are displaying the data little bit bending. And clearly visible, sir, bending, slight bending. Next one, underline tag I'm going to using. JavaScript, underline close. So it displaying the JavaScript text with underline. And the next one, strike. One by one, I'm implementing, sir, for seeing the effect or result of the tag. So strike, Angular JS. I'm going to striking out. Reason, sir, current days we don't have any Angular JS, so that's why I just strike it out. Angular we have, Angular JS not available. Angular JS old, Angular is new. So old name, that's why I'm going to simply striking out. Exactly over middle of the data, horizontally it is going to drawing a line. Next one is subscript. So subscript, if you want to test it, take a small your equations of formulas available. So H2 SO4. H2 SO4. Pronunciation okay, but writing is not okay. The 2 and 4 we have to display little bit bottom of that one. So before the 2, open the subscript. Before the 2. And after the 2, close the subscript. By chance after the 2 I am not closed the subscript, sir. SO4 also comes to bottom, sir. A few minutes back I already said every open tag should be closed properly. If you are not closed properly, syntax is not followed, sir. These type of unexpected outputs are forming. So better close that one properly here and SO4 and close this. So 2 and 4, the both digits I used the subscript and you will get the output properly like this. Next one, superscript. A plus B whole square equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Pronunciation okay, but appearance is not okay. A plus B whole square. Pronunciation okay, but appearance is not okay. So move all these 2 to top of your alphabets. So apply the superscript here. 2 before super opening and 2 after super closing. Immediately we have to close it as sir. You want to print the 2 only, or 2 with the equal also you want to print in top? Equal also if you want to print in top, sir. Immediately don't close. You can take 1 kilometer distance, no problem. In city outskirts, you can close it. That's not a problem. A plus B whole square equal. Super kada, no. So that's why better close immediately. Otherwise, effect continues to next data also. A square. And immediately close that one. Next B square. And immediately close that one also. Now see the final output will get like this. This is the proper way of displaying also. By chance, I'm not closed this tag. A slash missing, sir, accidentally. Slashes are missing accidentally. But what happens, sir? Whole square, whole square, whole square, whole square, sir, comes. Whole squares, whole squares, whole squares, whole squares, whole squares, whole squares, sir, comes. Mathematics, this also required, kada? Sometimes we have these type of things also. But don't close the tag. You will get your required output. A plus B whole square available. 2 whole square equal. Equal whole square. A square. A square whole square plus whole square. B square. See that one. Already maximized. Mana steps ఉన్నాయి కదా, steps same pattern is following anamata. So improper tag utilization producing these varieties of shocking outputs. Well, again you will get the shock, hospital treatment, medicine charges unnecessary. So better go for the proper closing. We'll get back to the normal output. So these are the formatting tags for displaying the data with some special options and special situations. So now, as usual, question and doubt. Is it useful for our website designing? Compulsory kada? Compulsory. Mathematics website the whole squares, cubes compulsory required. But underlines, squares, bold, italic not available, sir. Again, Flipkart. For every explanation of our class, best example Flipkart and Amazon. In Flipkart, we have the strikeouts. So Flipkart, we have the boldness. So Flipkart, we have this also, everything. Your mobile bottom price is displaying. Observed, huh? Apple iPhone 13, offer price 60,000, actual price 80,000. 80,000 strikeout is there already. And the offer price boldness displaying. Next, the end of the same sentence, 20% discount. At 20% again, different appearances comes. Almost half of these tags only they used. Reactions from you, huh? So mobiles, iPhone 13 Pro Max, offer not available. Samsung Galaxy S21 out of order and over any. Yes, here we have, sir. I go see that one. 37,000 bold they displayed. 40,000 strikeout they displayed. A strikeout with bold tag, both implemented. Mathematics, Google temperature, right? Superscript to subscripts are available. Degrees to temperature displaying. So regularly using tags only, sir. It's not a problem. That's all about the today's explanations. Programming is started, my side. So better your side also, you can start the practicing. How to practice it? Yesterday we already discussed. One systems candidates, okay. Who doesn't have the systems, Institute Lab available. Who have the mobiles, you can practice in mobiles also. Apps are available in our Google Play Store. download and practice. System is not compulsory. Computer is not mandatory, right? These all the notes, so link tomorrow I'll give it. A documentation, program link available. That link to tomorrow session I'll share it. So thank you all. Tomorrow we'll continue.